examination of CAT 2024 evening slot, section 3, and it is QA, Quantitative Aptitude sections. So let us take question number 1. Train traveled a certain distance at a uniform speed. Had the speed been 6 km per hour more, it would have been needed 4 hours less. Had the speed 6 km per hour less, it would have needed 6 hours more. The distance in kilometer traveled by the train is to be found out. Okay, let's see. The distance is d. Okay, and the speed is s kilometer per hour. And with this speed, distance d traveled in t hours. Okay, when distance is going to be st, right? With this condition, had the speed been 6 km per hour more, then the speed is going to s plus 6 km per hour, and then the time will be 4 hour less, means t minus 4. So this speed into time is equal to distance, right? And distance, it is st, so you can put here st. So st is equal to st plus 6t minus 4s minus 24. This is cancelled, and this is your 6t minus 4s is equal to 24. Here 2 is common, so you can write 3t minus 2s is equal to 12. This is your equation number 1. And now had the speed been 6 km per hour less, so in this scenario, the speed is going to be s minus 6 and time is 6 hours more, then time is t plus 6. Okay, and the distance, it is distance is equal to st. So if you take this, then st is equal to st minus 6t plus 6s minus 36. This and this cancel. It is 6t minus, it is minus 6t plus 6s is equal to 36. Here 6 is common, so it is minus t plus s is equal to 6. This is equation number 2. On equating equation number 1 and 2, we can get the value of t and s. Like here it is 3t minus 2s is equal to 12, and this is minus t plus s is equal to 6. Multiplied by a 2 से multiply कर देते हैं. So it is a 2, it is 2, and this is 2. Now equate. It is minus 2s, it is plus 2s, so cancel. And 3 minus 2t is a t, and here it is 12 plus 12 is going to be 24. And t is 24. Put this value of t either in equation 1 or at 2. Like in equation 2, if we supply the value of t minus 24 plus s is equal to 6, s is going to be 30. So t is 24, s is 30, and now you have to find the distance. The distance is s is 30 and t is 24. Answer is 720. This is your answer. Alternate approach of this question is, there is a formula, product of speed, product of speed is equal to distance upon difference of speed and difference of time. So product of speed, had the speed 6 km per hour more. If I take speed s plus 6, and same distance traveled with the speed s minus 6, and this is the difference of speed 6 km more, 6 km per hour less, means difference of speed is going to be 12 km per hour. Difference of time in first condition is 4 hour less, second condition 6 hour more, so it is 10. So 6 by 5 means s square minus 36 is equal to 6 by 5 of d. 6 by 5 of a d. So if it is first, then 720. If I take first option, 720, then s square minus 36 is equal to 6 by 5 6 by 5 of 720. 6 by 5 means 725 से divide करने पर 144 आ रहा है and 144 into 6 it is 864 means s square is 864 plus 36 it is 900. If I take second option, then s square minus 36, 6 by 5, 780, 780, 5 से divide करेंगे, then it is 5, it is 156. 156 into 6 is 936, and 936 is 36. S square is 972. If I take third option, then s square minus 36 is equal to 6 by 5 into 640, right? 645, 165, 128. 128 into 6 is 804. So minus 36, 804 is s square is equal to 804 plus 36 means 840, right? And if I take the last option 4, then s square minus 36, 6 by 5, d is 800. D is 800 means it is 160. 160 is 960 and s square is 960 plus 36. It is 996. Now look here. Only single option is this s square is 900 perfect square. S square 972 is not perfect square. S square 840 not perfect square. S square 996 not perfect square. So answer is 720. Only this is because for 720 s square is 900 coming, which is a perfect square. So it is your answer. Now see question number 2. For any non-zero real number x, let fx plus twice f of 1 by x is equal to 3x. Then the sum of all possible values of x for which fx is equal to 3. Okay, so here equation is given fx plus twice f of 1 upon x is equal to 3x. This is equation number 1. So from this equation, if I eliminate this f of 1 upon x, then equation will left with only fx and fx is equal to 3 is given, right? Then we can set up a relations, right? So let's see how can we eliminate this f of 1 upon x. So for this, if I put x is equal to 1 upon x, then this equation will be f of 1 up by x plus 2 and f 1 upon x. For x, you are going to write 1 upon x. So this will be f. X is equal to 3 upon x. This is equation number 2. And now from equation 1, subtract 2 into equation number 2. Then we can eliminate this 2fx. Like fx plus twice f of 1 upon x is equal to 3x, and below in equation 2 I multiplied it by 2 f of 1 upon x plus 2 to the 4. This is 6 by x. Subtract it, minus, minus, minus. Now this 2 of f by f of 1 upon x and 2 into f of 1 upon x cancel, and this fx plus minus 4f is 3 minus 3. This is, and here it is 3x minus 6 upon x. Fx is 3, you can put here minus 3 into 3 and 3 you can take common, and this is x minus 2 by x, this cancel. So finally you have minus 3 is equal to x square minus 2 by x, which is actually x square minus 2 is equal to minus 3x. So x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is your quadratic equations. So from this quadratic equations, x can have two different values or two same values, and you have to find the sum of the all possible value of x. So, for this quadratic equation, sum of the roots is alpha plus beta minus b upon a. So sum of the root is your what? It is minus 3. So this is your requirement. We sum of all possible value of x. So answer is minus 3. Now see question number 3. If 3 raised to power a is equal to 4, 4 raised to power b is equal to 5, 5 to the power c 6, 6 to the power d 7, 7 to the power e is 8, and 8 to the power f is 9, then the value of the product of a, b, c, d, e, f, s. Very simple question. 3 to the power a is equal to 4, and 4 to the power b is 5. So if I raise left hand and right hand side to the power b, then it is 3 to the power ab is equal to 4 to the power b. And 4 to the power b is what? 5. So it is equal to 5. Again raise it 5 to the power c. So raise left hand side to the power c. Then it becomes 3abc is equal to 5 to the power c, which is equal to 6. Similarly, 6 to the power d is given. So raise it a, b, c, d. It is 6 to the power d. And 6 to the power d is 7. 7 to the power e is given. So raise it to the power e. Then it becomes 3a, b, c, d is equal to 7 to the power e, which is equal to 8. And again, raise it to the power f. Then 3 to the power a, b, c, d, e, f. So this is equal to a to the power f, and this is given equal to 9. So finally, 3 to the power a, b, c, d, e, f. This is equal to 9, and 9 you can write as 3 to the power 2. So now base is same, you can compare the power. So answer is A, B, C, D, E, F is equal to 2. This is answer. After two successive increments, Gopal's salary became 187.5% of his initial salary. If the percentage of salary increase in the second increment was twice of that in the first increment, then the percentage of salary increases in the first increment was. I think it is a very simple question. And if you do this with the help of option, तो ये ज्यादा easy हो जाएगा. Like uh, here, first option is 27.5. This is 25. It is 30. It is 20. So better you check with option 25, 30, and 20. Like if suppose the cost is 100. If I take the first option 25, then it increase 25%, means 125. And now second increment was twice of that, means 25 की जगह 50% increase होगा. So plus 50%, 125 का 50% हो गया 62.5. So 125 plus 62.5 is 187.5. So 100 become 187.5. Answer is 25. Okay. If you check other options like 30, 100, then 130, then 60. So 60%, because first is 30, then second is a double, then 60%, 60% of 130 is 78, 13, 7, 6, yeah. 13, 6, yeah, 78. So 78 and 130 is more than 187.5. So this cannot be your answer. If you take this 20, then 100 is 120, and then plus 20. So now it is 40%. So it is 40% of 120. This is 40%, 12 4 ja. 48. 120 plus 48 is only 168. It is less than this. So this is not your answer. And already you know 25 is, I'm simply checking the options. So with the options, you can do it faster, right? This is a one way. Second is, if I take the question this way, uh, it became 187.5%. It became 187.5%. So means net change is 87.5%. So there is a formula, net change. For a two successive discounts, or for a two successive changes, there is a formula. Uh, 87.5 is equal to x plus y plus x y by 100. सबको मालूम होता है. 87.5 is x plus y. Y is 2x. And this is x into 2x by 100. So here, this 87.5, you can write 175 by 2. And this is 3x. And this is 50. So x is square by 50, right? X is square by 50. So do one thing. Multiply by 50. We simplified it. So 175 ये हो जाएगा 150x plus x square, and here it is 175 by 2 into 50, it is 25. Now solve this equation. 150x minus 25 into 1750. This is like x square. 175x minus 25x minus 25 into 1750. So x is plus 175 and x minus 25 is 0. So x is coming minus 175, x is coming 25, and it is increase. So this is not, no question. Answer is 25%. This is another approach, right? But I think I prefer this. With the help of options, you can do it faster. But both approaches are good. Now, the number of distinct integer solutions xy of the equations mod of x plus y plus mod of x minus y is equal to 2 is. So here mod of x plus y, it is positive. Mod of x minus y, positive. Positive plus positive is equal to 2. So the possible cases are like 2 and 0 or 0 and 2. Correct? Minus 2 and 0 or 0 and minus 2. These are four cases. Then 1 and 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are 8 possible cases. So answer is 8. Okay. लेकिन आपको अगर solution इसके दिखाने तो just for your understanding, if I take x plus y is equal to 2 and x minus y is equal to 0, दोनों equations को solve करेंगे. 2x is equal to 2, x is 1, x is 1, then x plus y 2, so y is equal to. So one solution possible हो गया, 1, 1, right? In second case, if you take 0 and 2, x plus y 0, x minus y is 2, then in this scenario, 2x is equal to 2, so x is going to be 1, and as you take x is 1, then 1 y is also, x is 1, then y is minus 1. Correct? So this is another solution. If I take minus 2 and 0, x plus y is equal to minus 2, x minus y is equal to 0. Then solve it. 2x is equal to minus 1, minus 2. Then x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Then y is also minus 1. Correct? It means minus 1, minus 1. If you take x plus y is equal to 0 and x minus y is equal to minus 2, then 2x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, so y is going to be plus 1. So this is another solution, minus 1, plus 1, right? If I take 1, 1, x plus y is 1, x minus y is 1, then 2x is 2, so x is 1, x is 1, y is 0, right? It is 1 and 0. If you take x plus y is minus 1, this one, and x minus y is minus 1, then 2x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 0. So this is minus 1, 0. And if you take x plus y is equal to 1 and x minus y is equal to minus 1, then 2x is equal to 0. And here x is 0, x is 0, then y is 1. So here it is a 0, 1. Similarly, if I take x plus y is minus 1 and x minus y is plus 1. So there here 2x is equal to 0, x is 0, x is 0 and y is minus 1. So this is 0 and minus 1. So these are 8 cases, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct? अब ये इसको करने की जरूरत नहीं थी, आप डायरेक्ट यहीं से आंसर निकाल सकते थे. देयर आर 8 सॉल्यूशंस. Now see this question number 6. The number of distinct real values of x satisfying the equation maximum x comma 2 minus minimum x comma 2 is equal to mod of x plus 2 minus mod of x minus 2. See, this question you can do with the help of graph. बहुत अच्छे ढंग से हो जाएगा. Like first take this left hand side, maximum x2 minus minimum x2. Suppose I put here x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, 0 and 2 maximum will be 2, minus 0 and 2 minimum will be 0. So this is coming. Okay. If I put x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1, then 1 and 2 maximum will be 2, minus 1 and 2 minimum is 1. So the difference is 2 minus 1 is 1. If I take x is equal to minus 1, it is a minus 1. The minus 1 and 2, the maximum is again 2. Minus, here you are putting x is equal to minus 1. Minimum is minus 1. So it is 3. Okay. If I take x is equal to minus 1, 2, it's right. Minimum, it's right. Distinct well. Okay. If I take x is equal to 2, then 2, 2, maximum will be 2. Minus 2, 2, minimum will also be 2. So it is a 0. Correct. Now take x is equal to minus 2. X is minus 2 and 2, the maximum will be 2. Minus 2 and 2, minimum will be minus 2. So it is 4. If I take x is equal to 3, then 3, 2, maximum is 3. Minus 3, 2, minimum is 2. It is 1. If I take x is equal to minus 3, then it is minus 3 into the maximum is 2. Minus 3 into the minimum is minus 3. So this is these are outcomes on putting x is equal to 0, 1, -1, 2, -2, 3, and -3, and so on. So, left hand side. Correct. So, इसका ग्राफ अगर हम लोग प्लॉट करें, राइट, लाइक आपको पहले ऐसे रफ साइड दिखा रहे हैं, फिर इसको फेयर भी करेंगे. सपोज x इज इक्वल टू 0, x इज इक्वल टू 0, दिस इज यानी कि y इज इक्वल टू 2, ऑन x इज इक्वल टू 0, y इज इक्वल टू 2, दिस इज ओके. On putting x is equal to 1, on putting x is equal to 1, y is 1, so it is right. On putting x is equal to -1, x is equal to -1. When you put here -1, then it is coming 3, so it's 1, 2, 3, like this is okay. On putting x is equal to 2, you are getting 0, means यहीं पर हो जाएगा सब कुछ. Hmm? On putting x is equal to -2, it is a 5, it is a -2, it is 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay. On putting x is equal to 3, 1, 2, 3. If you put x is equal to 3, then y is 1, means ये हो गया. On putting x is equal to -3, y is 5. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like. See, so on putting x is equal to 0, on putting x is equal to 0, it is 2. X is equal to 1, this is 1. X is equal to -1, this is 3. X is equal to 2, it is 0. X is equal to 2, it is 0. X is equal to 3, it is a 1. Okay, x is equal to -3, it is 5. -3, it is 5. If you put x is equal to 4, if you put x is equal to 4, then 4 to maximum is 4. And 4 to minimum is 2. It is 2. Is on putting x is equal to 4, it is 2. तो देखो आप ग्राफ कैसे बना रहे हो, एक ऐसा ग्राफ बन रहा है. ठीक है. हम्म. तो अगर आप ग्राफ के बारे में जानते हो तो व्हाट इज इट, ये ग्राफ एक तरीके से मॉड ऑफ x-2 का ग्राफ है. दिस इज अ ग्राफ ऑफ मॉड ऑफ x-2. इसका नेचर कुछ इस तरीके से हो गया. लेट अस टेक दिस another mod of x plus 2 minus mod of x minus 2. Here if I take x is equal to 0, right? Suppose I'm using this. On putting x is equal to 0 right hand side, so 0, 2, 2, and 0 minus 2, mod of -2 is 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0. If I put x is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1 minus 2 is a -1, -1 mod 1, so it is 1, and this is equal to 2. If I put x is equal to -1, so -1 plus 2 is 1, so it is 1, minus -1 and -2 is -3, and mod of -3 is +3. So 1 minus 3 is -2. If I take x is equal to 2, then 2 plus 2 is 4, and 2 minus 2, 0 is 0. So this is 4. If I take x is equal to -2, -2 minus 2 is a 0, and on -2 minus 2 minus 4, mod of -4 is +4. So this is -4. It is -4. If I take x is equal to 3, 3 to 5, and 3 minus 2 is 1, this is coming 4. If I take -3, -2 plus 2 minus 1, mod of -1 is 1, and -3 minus 2 minus 5, mod of -5, mod of -5 is 5, so -5, and this is coming -4. आप नोटिस करें, अगर आप इसका एक ग्राफ बनाए तो ये ग्राफ, this is going to इसका एक ग्राफ बनाते हैं। और ये बन ही चुका है, तो फिर इसको थोड़ा सा आपको हम एक फ्रेश तरीके से कुछ चीजें दिखा रहे हैं। ठीक है। सो लुक है, पहले जो आपका ये वाला ग्राफ था, ये किस तरीके से गया था, टू, और ये जा रहा था कुछ इस तरह की स्टोरी थी। एंड थ्री पे वन। सो ये कुछ इस तरीके से जा रहा था। ठीक, ऐसे जाएगा ये आपका। आप लोग इसकी बात करते हैं। राइट हैंड साइड जो है, एक्स जीरो पे जीरो था, तो यहाँ आ गया जीरो, इसलिए देन ऑन पुटिंग एक्स इज इक्वल टू वन इट इज टू, ऑन पुटिंग इट इज टू, तो आपका ये ये हो जाएगा। देन ऑन पुटिंग एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस वन इट इज माइनस टू, ऑन पुटिंग एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस वन इट इज माइनस टू। तो ये कुछ इस तरीके से हो गया। एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस वन इट इज माइनस टू, तो एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस वन इट इज माइनस टू, मीन्स यहाँ पे आ गया। ठीक है। x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, it is coming 4, x is equal to 2, it is coming 4. This is 1 पे it was 2। ओके, ये वाला जो होगा आपका यहाँ होगा 1 पे, इससे भी होगा। ठीक है। x is equal to 0, this is 0, x is equal to 1, it is 2, x is equal to minus 1, it is minus 2, x is equal to 2, it is 4, x is equal to 2, it is 4, x is equal to minus 2, it is minus 4. So x is equal to minus 2, it is a minus 4. Okay. Hmm. X is equal to minus 2, it is minus 4. This is, hmm. Then x is equal to 3, it is 4. X is equal to 3. Again, it is 4. On 3, it is 4. On minus 3, it is minus 4. On minus 3, x is equal to minus 3, it is minus 4. Right? So here, your graph is like इस तरीके से जा रहा है ये, और फिर इसके बाद ये यूं हो गया। इट्स ओके। इसके बाद ये कुछ इस तरीके से जाने लगा। अगर आप चाहें तो एक्स इज इक्वल टू 5 रख के देख लें। ऑन पुटिंग एक्स, 3 हो गया था, 3 पे 4 था। एक्स इज इक्वल टू 4 रख के देख लीजिए, 4 रखेंगे तो इधर क्या हो जाएगा, 4 2 2, 4 2 इज 4, माइनस 4, ये 2, तो दिस इज, ये तो क्लियर है कि ये मॉड ऑफ एक्स माइनस टू का ग्राफ है ना। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड मॉड एक्स माइनस टू का ग्राफ है, ये कुछ इस तरीके से जाएगा। हियर इफ आई टेक एक्स इज इक्वल टू 4, एक्स इज इक्वल टू 4, 4 to 6, 4 to 6, माइनस 4 माइनस 2 इज 2, दिस इज 4, 4 ही आएगा। इवन इफ यू पुट एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4, then minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 mod of 2 is a 2, and minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 is mod of minus 6 is plus 6, minus 6 it is coming minus 4। ये जो आपकी लाइन है कुछ इस तरीके से ही बढ़ेगी, इसमें कोई टेंशन नहीं है। ये किसी तरीके से आगे बढ़ेगी, और जब ये आगे बढ़ेगी तो इसको यहाँ पे कट करेगी। ठीक, और ये लाइन आपकी इस तरह से आगे ही चली जाएगी। तो ये ग्राफ, अब नंबर ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट रियल वैल्यूज ऑफ तो आप यहाँ पर देखिए, जो रियल वैल्यूज आपको एक्स चाहिए, तो सिंपल सी बात है, ग्राफ आगे कोई मतलब नहीं रखता। एक इस जगह पर ये दोनों कट कर रहे हैं और एक इस जगह कट कर रहे हैं, तो नंबर ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट रियल वैल्यूज क्या होंगी, एक ये होगी और एक ये, ओनली टू रियल वैल्यूज। दिस इज योर आंसर। तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ ग्राफ अच्छे तरीके से समझ सकते हो, कर सकते हो। बाकी और भी मेथड है, बट आई थिंक इट इज द बेस्ट फॉर everybody, whether you are science students or you are any students of any stream, science or commerce or all art, जिन्होंने एप्टीट्यूड की तरीके से मैथ्स को पढ़ा हुआ है, इस तरीके से इन चीजों को समझ सकते हैं। नाउ सी दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। The midpoints of sides AB, BC, and AC in triangle ABC are MN. Means it is a triangle ABC, A, B, C, and the midpoints are M, BC is N, and this is P. Okay. The medians drawn from A, B, from A, B, and C. So this is 1 million. एक मिलियन आपका ये हो गया और एक मिलियन आपका ये हो गया, राइट। द मीडियंस ड्रॉन फ्रॉम ए बी सी इंटरसेक्ट द लाइन सेगमेंट एमपी। ये इस लाइन सेगमेंट एमपी को ये मीडियन ने यहां पे कट किया, एंड एमएन को इस मीडियन ने यहां पर इंटरसेक्ट किया, एंड एनपी एट जेड, एनपी को इस मीडियन ने यहाँ पे कट किया। सो नाम इनके रखेंगे, एमपी वाले को जो मीडियन करे जैसे एक्स, और एमएन वाला वाई है, और एनपी इट इज जेड respectively. If the area of triangle ABC, if the area of triangle ABC, so area of triangle ABC is 1440 square centimeter. Then the area in square centimeter of triangle XYZ. ओके, आपको फाइंड करना है XYZ, इसका एरिया फाइंड करना है, करेक्ट। दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन। सो लुक हियर, ये ट्रायंगल है ए बी सी। इस पूरे ट्रायंगल का एरिया दे रखा था 1440 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर, और ये इसके मिड पॉइंट है। अब आपने ट्रायंगल में पढ़ा है सिमिलरिटी, जब आप सिमिलरिटी की प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़ रहे होगे, तो ट्रायंगल के मिड पॉइंट को आपने अगर इससे मिला दिया तो ये लाइन इसके पैरेलल होती है। हम्म? तो ये लाइन इसके पैरेलल होगी, और इसका मिड पॉइंट है तो ये लाइन इसके पैरेलल होगी, और ये मिड पॉइंट इनको मिला दिया तो ये लाइन इसके पैरेलल होगी। इसका मतलब ये आपके चार जो ट्रायंगल हैं, एक, दो, तीन और चार, ये चारों के चारों ट्रायंगल क्या होंगे, आपस में सिमिलर होंगे। याद आया? तो दिस इज द बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी, ये आपको पता होनी चाहिए, ठीक है। तो अगर ये चारों ट्रायंगल सिमिलर, ठीक है ना, तो पहले चारों ट्रायंगल सिमिलर है, इसका मतलब चारों का एरिया भी आपस में इक्वल इक्वल हो जाएगा, नो डाउट। इट इज क्लियर। देखिए भाई, ऐसा कर लेते हैं आपको समझाने के लिए, आपने सिमिलरिटी प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़ी होगी। जैसे एक इतना ही ट्रायंगल है, ये ट्रायंगल बड़े वाले का क्या हो गया, सिमिलर हो गया, ओके। अब प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है, दो सिमिलर ट्रायंगल की साइड का जो रेशियो होता है, ठीक है ना, उनका जो स्क्वायर होता है वो उनके एरिया का रेशियो होता है। ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी आपने पढ़ी होगी, ठीक है। मीन्स ए बी सी एम पी, ट्रायंगल ए एम पी फिगर ट्रायंगल ए बी सी इसका सिमिलर हो गया, क्योंकि इसका मिड पॉइंट था, तो ये लाइन इसके पैरेलल हो गई, पैरेलल हो गई तो ये एंगल इसके इक्वल, ये एंगल इसके इक्वल। ये सब बेसिक बातें आपको पता है, ठीक है। मैं ये सोच के चल रहा हूँ, ये रिपीट करा देता हूँ आपको आगे, ताकि कहीं काम आए अगर नहीं। ठीक है। तो अब ये ट्रायंगल क्या हो गया, इस बड़े वाले ट्रायंगल का सिमिलर हो गया। सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स की आपको पता है कि ए एम अपॉन ए बी इज इक्वल टू ए पी अपॉन ए सी एम पी ओवर बी सी। ठीक है, ये इनकी करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड का रेशियो इक्वल होता है। लेकिन अगर एरिया की बात हो जाए, इस ए एम पी ट्रायंगल का एरिया ए वन ले लें और ए बी सी का एरिया हम ए टू ले लें, तो एरिया का जो रेशियो होगा वो करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड के रेशियो के स्क्वायर के इक्वल होता है। ये बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी आपको पता थी, ठीक है ना। तो इसका मतलब अगर ये साइड इस पूरे साइड की हाफ है, तो अगर ये वन है तो ये टू होगा। इसका मतलब वन का स्क्वायर वन, टू का स्क्वायर फोर, तो ये छोटा वाला जो ट्रायंगल है, ये ट्रायंगल का एरिया बिग ट्रायंगल का वन बाई फोर होगा। ठीक है ना। अच्छा, और ऐसे ट्रायंगल कितने हैं, चार। तो ये वाला ट्रायंगल बड़े वाले का वन फोर होगा, ठीक इसी तरीके से ये होगा। इसका मतलब चारों का एरिया आपस में इक्वल इक्वल होगा। तो वन डबल फोर, जीरो को फोर से आप डिवाइड कर दें, वन डबल फोर, जीरो को हम लोग फोर से डिवाइड कर देंगे, फोर थ्री जा 12, फोर सिक्स जा 24, जीरो 360। तो ईच ट्रायंगल का एरिया कितना होगा, 360 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, राइट। बट आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट यहाँ पर ये नहीं थी, आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट थी कुछ इसमें, इस ट्रायंगल को बताएं। इसके लिए एक फेयर सा मैं आपको फिगर दिखा रहा हूँ, देखिए उसको, आपको समझ में आएगी बातें। इट इज, सो ये आपका एक फेयर फिगर है। ठीक है, तो अब आपको मैं बता ही चुका कि ये जो ट्रायंगल थे आपके ए एम टी बी एम एन एन पी सी, राइट, और ट्रायंगल एम पी एन, ये चारों के चारों ट्रायंगल जो थे, इन सब का एरिया कितना था, 360 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर था। इन सब का एरिया था 300 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर ईच। अब इस क्वेश्चन में आपसे पूछा क्या गया था, आपसे पूछा गया था कि यू आर रिक्वायर्ड हियर टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ एक्स जेड वाई, इसका एरिया पूछा गया आपसे। ठीक है, इसका एरिया पूछा गया था। सो आई थिंक यू आर गेटिंग दिस। हियर यू हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस। अब ये क्या होगा, तो इट्स नॉट अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क। अब इसको एरिया फाइंड करना है। तो लोग अब ये सोचिए, इट्स ट्रायंगल ए एन सी लेता हूं, ट्रायंगल ए एन सी। ट्रायंगल ए एन सी में जो पॉइंट पी है, ये एसी का मिड है, ठीक है ना। और ये जो लाइन जा रही थी, आप ऑलरेडी यहां पर प्रूव कर चुके हो कि ये लाइन जो है इसके पैरेलल है। अब ये लाइन पैरेलल है, तो ट्रायंगल ए एन सी में, इन ट्रायंगल ए एन सी, पी एक्स विल ऑल्सो पैरेलल टू एन सी। और आपको पता है किसी भी ट्रायंगल में अगर एक पैरेलल लाइन है ये दोनों, तो फिर ये ट्रायंगल जो होता है इस बिगर ट्रायंगल का सिमिलर ट्रायंगल बन जाएगा। ये छोटा वाला बड़े वाले का सिमिलर होगा। इसका मतलब यहाँ पर ए एक्स पी ए एन सी का सिमिलर ट्रायंगल होगा। सिमिलर ट्रायंगल है, तो अगर ये एसी का मिड पॉइंट है, इसका मतलब करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड का रेशियो जब इक्वल होना है, तो इसका मतलब ये क्या हो जाएगा, अगर ये मिड पॉइंट है तो यहां से यहां तक और यहां से यहां तक इसको भी हाफ हाफ होना चाहिए। इसका मतलब ये प्रूव हो गया कि एक्स जो पॉइंट है इसका मिड पॉइंट है। ठीक है ना, एक्स इसका मिड पॉइंट है किसका, ए एन का। सिमिलरली वी कैन से वाई इज ए मिड पॉइंट ऑफ पी एन, जेड इज ए मिड पॉइंट ऑफ एम एन। बात समझ में आ गई। अब अगर ये मिड पॉइंट है, तो ये पुरानी जो अभी हम लोगों ने बात करी थी, फिर वो केस एक नया आ गया कि एक ट्रायंगल एम पी एन में इसके मिड पॉइंट्स हैं। इन मिड पॉइंट को इनसे मिला देंगे तो ट्रायंगल एक्स वाई पी, ट्रायंगल पी एम एन का सिमिलर होगा। ठीक है, एक्स ये जेड वाई एन ट्रायंगल, ये भी बड़े ट्रायंगल का सिमिलर होगा। ठीक इसी तरीके से ये जो चारों ट्रायंगल हो गए, एक, दो, तीन और ये चार, इनके एरिया आपस में इक्वल तो आपने भी क्या निकाला था, 360 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर ईच। किसका था, इसका, इसका, इस इन चारों का एरिया कितना था, 3 सेंटीमीटर, 360 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर ईच था। तो अगर ये सबका 360 360 को आप चार पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दीजिए, ठीक है, तो कितना हो जाएगा, 90, 90, 90, 90। सो डायरेक्ट आप आंसर दे सकते हो 360/4। आंसर इज 90 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। आंसर इज 90 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। मीन्स ये जो प्रॉपर्टी थी सिमिलर, अच्छा सा क्वेश्चन था। इस पूरे का एक नया ट्रायंगल जनरेट किया गया था, उसके अंदर ये चार जो छोटे छोटे ट्रायंगल्स बने थे ये भी आपस में सिमिलर थे। तो ये पूरी स्टोरी रिपीट हो गई थी, तो बस फिर कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं है, 360 को 4 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए और इसका आंसर है। जिन लोगों को एक कंसेप्ट क्लियर होगा वो उन्होंने बहुत जल्दी इस क्वेश्चन को कर लिया। डिस्टिंक्ट रियल नंबर्स इज 28 if the smallest number is increased by 7 and the largest number is reduced by 10. The order of the numbers remains unchanged, and new arithmetic mean becomes 2 more than the middle number. While the differences while the difference between the largest and the smallest numbers becomes 64, then the largest number in the original set of three number is, this is your question. Look here, suppose there are three numbers A, B, C, and they are written in a descending order, like A less than B less than C. So A is the smallest one and C is the largest one, right? It is given the average of the three distinct real number is 28. If average is 28, so you know it is A plus B plus C by 3 is 28. Means A plus B plus C is 28 into 3 is 84. This is equation number one. Okay, further it is given, uh, if the smallest number is increased by 7, if it is increased by, the smallest number is increased by 7, so this is A plus 7. And the largest number is reduced by 10. Largest number is C, it is reduced by 10. The order of the numbers remain unchanged, means agar order of the numbers remain unchanged, so it would be like this. It means this is and this is. ये अभी का अभी वैसे ही है, ठीक है। Means C minus 10 is the still greatest one and A plus 7 is still the smallest one, right? And the new arithmetic means become two more than the middle number. New arithmetic means, for finding arithmetic mean, you can add all these three values A plus C. The first is A plus C. It is a B plus C minus 10. These are three new numbers in new scenario. इनका जो sum होगा divided by 3 is a arithmetic mean. Arithmetic means becomes two more than the middle number. Middle number is a B, means this arithmetic mean is coming B plus. So simplified it, A plus B plus C, and this 7 minus 10 is minus 3, is equal to 3B plus 6. Look here, A plus B plus C you can take from here. It is 84. 84 minus 3 is equal to 3B plus 6. 84 minus 3 is 81, right? 81 minus 6 is equal to 3B. 81 minus 6 is 75. 75 by 3, so B is coming 25. Now the value of B is okay. Correct. Further, it is given the difference, while the difference between the largest and the smallest number becomes 64. So order of the number is unchanged. It means the biggest one is C minus 10, right? And the smallest is A plus 7. इन दोनों नंबरों का जो डिफरेंस आप बता रहे हैं The difference जो question में given है, it is 64. So means C minus A is minus 10 and minus 7 is minus 17 is equal to 64. So C minus A is 64 and 17, 64, 10, 74 plus 7, 81. This is okay. This is your equation. ध्यान रखें relation है. Look, B you have 25. If I put here, then A plus C is 84 minus B. A plus C, 84 minus 25. So 14, 5. 14 minus 5, 9. And 7 minus 2 is 5, 59. Okay. A plus C is 59. A minus C minus A is 81. If I is equation 1 लिखा था. So 1, so 2 and 3. 2 and 3 को हम लोग solve कर लें. So A plus C is 59 and A C minus C. So it's minus A plus C is 81. Add it 2C 10 140. So C is coming 70. So now you have C is 70, B is 25, C is 70, B is 25. So A is 70 plus 25 means A, this is 25, C 70 is equal to 84. It means C आपका माइनस C की जो वैल्यू आएगी, A की वैल्यू आएगी वो माइनस में होगी. Now A plus 25 plus 70 is 84. So A plus 95 is equal to 84. A is minus 11. So the biggest one is C is equal to 20. This is your question number 9. A certain amount of water was poured into a 300-liter container and the remaining portion of the container was filled with milk. Then an amount of this solution was taken out from the container, which was twice the volume of water that was earlier poured into it. And water was poured to refill the container again. If the resulting solution contains 72% milk, then the amount of water in liters that was initially poured into the container was. Okay. So suppose this is a container and the capacity is 300 liters. A certain amount of water was poured into it. So suppose X liter water poured here and remaining portion of the container was filled with milk. So, okay, this is milk, right? So now it become a mixture of milk and water. So in this container, milk and water का रेशियो हो गया 300 minus X is to X. Okay. Then an amount of this solution was taken out from the container, which was twice the volume of the water that was earlier poured into it. X liter water you poured in it. Now, you taken 2x liter mixture of milk and water from this container, right? Suppose this is another small container and here it is a quantity is 2x liter. So 2x liter mixture is taken out, correct? And then water was poured to refill the container again. आप फिर क्या करते हैं इसमें इतना ही 2x liter water पहले आपने निकाला था 2x liter mixture and now you replace this 2x liter mixture with a 2x liter water. So when you pour this 2x liter water in it, then again the quantity become 300 liter in this container. So it is the mixture quantity is 300 liter. And now it is given this 300 liter mixture. It is a mixture of milk and what? It is given if the resulting solution contains 72% milk. So here milk is 72%. Then the amount of the water in liter that was initially poured into the container was means x क्या था तो ये फाइंड करना है इस क्वेश्चन में what is x okay so look here finally ये जो mixture है आपका this mixture has milk 72% right so here the quantity of milk is 300 into 72 by 100 3 to just 6 300 216 liters. Now see, earlier it is a mixture of milk and water, 300 liter milk. You taken out 2x liter mixture and replace it with water. It means when you take 2x liter mixture out from this mixture, then milk, यहाँ पर कितना होगा? Then milk in 300 minus 2x will be 300 minus x upon 300. Right? Ratio 300 minus x is to x. So the quantity of milk will be 300 minus x upon 300. Right? And further you added water. So means the milk quantity will remain constant. And finally it is given milk is 216 liter. So bas question khatam ho gaya. So it is take 2 common 150 minus x 2 and this is 300 minus x 216 into 300 this is 150 and this is 150 into 315 is 45,000 minus 300x minus 150x and this minus plus x square and here it is 216 so it is 0 15 6 and 90 0 9 carry over 15 1 ja 15 15 and 9 is 24 15 2 ja 30 and this 3240 now simplify this quadratic equations like x square minus 4 50x plus 45,000 minus 32400 is equal to 0. And this is minus 450x plus 12600. 12600. This quadratic equation is x squared minus 450x plus 12600. This is a quadratic equations we can solve, right? So x square minus 450x 12600. You know 420 into 30. So it is 450 and this is 326 3 4 12, right? So this is x square minus 420x minus 30x plus 12600. So this is x minus 420. X minus 30 is equal to 0. So x is 420 and x is 30. The container quantity, the container जो था, its capacity जो थी, capacity of a container was 300 liter. So no question of being x is 420 liter. Answer is 30. So answer is 30 liters. This is the answer of this question. Question number 10. The sum of all distinct real values of x that satisfy the equation 10 to the power x plus 4 upon 10 to the power x is equal to 81 by 2. Okay. So here 10 to the power x plus 4 upon 10 to the power x is equal to 81 by 2. Let 10x is equal to y. Then it is y plus 4 upon y is equal to 81 by 2. So this y square is, it is, you can write 2y square minus 81y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now, now it is a quadratic equations. So here sum of the root is 81 by 2 and the product of root is 4. Y is equal to 10 to the power x. Let the roots of this quadratic equations, roots of equation 10 to the power x1 and 10 to the power x2. Okay. Then 10 to the power x1 plus 10 to the power x2 is minus b upon a, so minus 81 by 2. And 10 to the power x1 into 10 to the power x2 is equal to 8 by 2. It is 4. And here you have to find the sum of the all distant real values of x that satisfy the equation. Okay. This is, and here your choices options are in terms of a log. So let us take log both sides. Then log of 10 to the power x1 into 10 to the power x2 is equal to log of 4. So formula log m into is log m plus n. So log of 10x1. So log 4 2 to the power 2, it is 2 log 2. So here we can take x1 log 10 plus x2 log 10 is equal to 2 log 2. And we have to find the sum. So it is log 10 if I take common into x1 plus x2 is equal to 2 log 2. So this is x1 plus x2, 2 log 2 log 10. And here answer is in this format. So it is actually x1 plus x2 is 2 into log of 2 base 10. So this is your answer. Now see question number 11. A regular rectangle, a regular octagon ABCDEFG has side of length 6 centimeter each. Then area in square centimeter of the square ACEG. Means here we have to find the area of square ACEG. Okay. So let's see the diagram first. This is a figure. Here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is an octagon and its length 6 centimeter each. It is a regular octagon, so all sides of this octagons are equal and it is given equal to 6, 6, 6, 6. Right. We all know this. And then the area of square centimeter of the square ACEG means we have to find the area of a square like this AC, CE, and EG, and this. So here the task is to find the area of a square ACEG. Since it is a square, so this is going to, since AC, CE, GE, and AG are equal. So we can say the area is like AC square. Okay, this is answer. So this will be answer. So find AC square. अगर ये find हो जाए. It is an octagon. So this is 90 degree. So in triangle AOC, suppose OA is X, OC is X, Y because it is a radius of this circle. It is a radius. So X, X. If it is X, it is a X and this is a 90 degree. So AC will be in a triangle AOC as a hypotenuse. So AC is square is going to X square plus X square means 2X square. So now find what is the value of X. For finding a value of X, OB is also a radius. And this AB is given 6. If I take triangle AOB in a triangle OAB, it is X, and it is 6. Okay. OAOB, it is X, it is X, it is 6. And see one thing. It is 90 degree. And this is the 90 degree. This will be 45 and 45. Okay. This angle and this angle is 45. So it is equal to 45 degree. So now in a triangle OAB, use this formula. Cos 45 is equal to, cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC formula I'm going to use. So here it is x square minus 6 square upon 2AB. So it is xx means 2x square. Cos 45 is a 1 upon root 2. So this 1 upon root 2 is, and this is 2x square minus 36 over 2x square. Simplify this. It is 2x square upon root 2 is equal to 2x square minus 36. This is root 2. So finally it is x square 2 minus root 2 minus 2x, 36. 2x square minus root 2 x square common. So x square is coming 36 upon 2 minus root 2. And actually, our concern is only finding the area of this square, and area of this square is AC square, right? So AC square is what? It's a 2x square, and x square is here. So bus AC square means twice into x square. X square की value is 36 upon 2 minus root 2. Okay. So if I take common root 2, then it is 236 upon root 2 minus 1. Then rationalize it by multiplying root 2 plus 1 in numerator and denominator. Root 2 and this is root 2, and root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1, it's a 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is finally, and okay, root 2 36 upon 1 into root 2 into root 2 plus 1. This is root 2, multiply inside the bracket, it becomes 2 plus root 2. So here our answer is 36 into 2 plus root 2. This is our answer. And this is the area of triangle ACEG. It's okay. So this is your answer. A circular plot of land is divided into two regions by a chord of length 10 root 3 meters, such that the chord subtends an angle 120 at the center. Then the area in square meters of the smaller region is. Okay. So here is figure. In this figure, this is a chord. Suppose the name of this chord, I think AB. A circular plot of land is divided into two regions by a chord of length 10 root 3. So AB is given 10 root 3. And this chord is dividing this circular plot of land in two regions. Such that the chord subtend an angle 120 at the center, then the area of the square meters of the smaller region, इस region का area find करना है. Okay. And it is given that this chord is making angle 120 at the center. It is 120. So here, for finding the area of this smaller region is like you have to find this इस रीजन का एरिया आपको फाइंड करना. तो look here, it is O. If I take the area of O, A means if I take the area of uh, this O, इस पूरे इस पोर्शन का एरिया ले लेते हैं. ठीक. और उस एरिया से इस ट्रायंगल के एरिया को सबट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं, तो आपके स्मॉल रीजन का एरिया आ जाएगा. इज इट ओके? तो इस पूरे सेक्शन का एरिया क्या होगा? एरिया ऑफ सर्कल क्या होता है? पाई आर स्क्वायर. पाई आर स्क्वायर पूरे सर्कल का एरिया होता है. ये 120 है, तो 120 360 डिग्री का कितना होता है? 1/3. इस पूरे का एरिया हो गया पाई आर स्क्वायर बाई 3. Now from this we subtract the area of triangle OAB. OAB का एरिया अगर हम फाइंड करके इससे सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें तो हमें इस स्मॉलर रीजन का एरिया आ जाएगा. राइट. मीन्स पाई आर स्क्वायर बाई 3 minus area of triangle OAB is our answer. Right. This will be area of a smaller region. Okay. So pi r square, r is a radius of this circle. So now very simple. Find the area of triangle OAB. Look here, all of you know the basic property. If I drop a perpendicular from this center to this chord will this perpendicular will divide the chord into half. Into half. It is a 10 root 3, so this is good. From it is suppose OL. So OL will be 5. Sorry, OL will be 5 root 3. You know this property from center when you drop a perpendicular on chord, it will always divide the chord into equal half. So it is a AL is sorry. AL is 5 root 3. And now in triangle OAB, it is O, this is R, it is 5 root 3. It is 90. This is 120. This perpendicular will work as a angular bisector of this angle. So it is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. It is 90 degree. This is 30 degree. So now sine 60, if I take from here sine 60, then it is hypotenuse, it is height, sorry. And this will be like hypotenuse R. So sine 60 root 3 by 2. It is root 3 by 2 is equal to 5 root 3 by R. This and this cancel. R is equal to 10. R is equal to 10. R is 10. Then area of this triangle, then the area will be 1 by 2 base into height. So here R is 10. You know, it is O, L, and this is AL. No. Okay, so here R is 10, 5 root 3. OL, you can also find sine 30 is equal to OL upon R. R recently calculated 10. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. OL, R is 10. This is 5. OL is 5. Now you have OL 5. This R is 10. So area of this triangle OAB 1 by 2 into bases AB. Height is OL. Correct. So pi r square. Acha, pi r square, or will you take 10 square by 3 minus 1 by 2 ABOL. This is your answer. So AB is, this is 100 by 3 pi minus 1 by 2. AB is 10 root 3 and OL is 5. So this is your answer is 100, 5, 5, 25. So you can take common. So okay, so here the 25 common ले लेंगे तो 25 is 4 pi by 3 minus. Okay, this is take common 25, and it is 4 pi by 3 minus root 3. This is your answer. Now, see question number 13. For some constant real numbers p, k, and a, consider the following system of linear equations in x and y. Px minus 4y is equal to 2, px plus ky is equal to a. A necessary condition for the system to have no solution for xy. Point is to be noted here. No solution for xy. This is important. So here we have equation px minus 4y is equal to 2 and 3x plus ky is equal to a. So, you know, from a linear equation, जब आप concept classes ले रहे होगे, so if there are two equations, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So when these two equations have no solution, conditions was there, right? आपकी concept class में पढ़ा होगा आपने. If a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2, no solution. बस इतनी छोटी सी बात जो थी आपको याद आ जानी चाहिए थी. ये क्वेश्चन आपका फिनिश हो जाएगा, राइट? So let us apply the same concept here. Here, इसको हटा देते हैं. So now see, a1 means p upon 3 is equal to minus 4 upon k. It's not equal to 2 upon. So there are three relations, right? One take phi p by 3 is not equal to 2 by a. And when you take p by 3 is equal to minus 4 by a. And another, you can take minus 4 by k is not equal to 2 by a. So these are three possible conditions. If it is, then it implies AP is not equal to 6, means AP minus 6 is not equal to 0. If it is, then PK 3 minus 4, 12, so plus 12 is equal to 0. This is, and if it is, then minus 4a is not equal to 2k, means 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. You can say it is like k plus 2a is not equal to 0. So now check it. One is AP minus 6 is not equal to 0, but here it is given equal to 0. So ये नहीं होगा. Right? PK plus 12 is equal to 0. Here it is given KP plus 12 is not equal to 0. So ये भी नहीं होगा. Then AP minus 6 is not equal to 0. Here it is given AP plus 6 is equal to 0. So ये भी नहीं होगा. K plus 2A is not equal to 0. K plus 2A is not equal to 0. So this is our answer. So it was a very simple question. Rajesh and Vimal own 20 hectares and 30 hectares of agriculture land, respectively, which are entirely covered by wheat and mustard crops. The cultivation area of wheat and mustard in the land owned by Vimal are in a ratio 5 is to 3. If the total cultivation area of wheat and mustard are in a ratio 11 is to 9, then the ratio of the cultivation area of the wheat and mustard in the land owned by Rajesh is to be found out. Okay. So look here. Rajesh, Vimal, and total. So Rajesh, 20 hectares. Vimal, 30 hectares. So total is going to be 20 plus 30, 50 hectares. The cultivation area of wheat and mustard in a land owned by Vimal are in ratio. Means wheat और mustard इसके लिए जो cultivated area विमल के पास में है it is given 5:3. If the total cultivation area of wheat and mustard is given 11:9, then the ratio of the cultivations area of wheat and mustard in the land owned by Rajesh, this is to be find out. Right? Yeah, very simple question. It's a very simple question. कई बार कह चुका हूँ लगता है लैटरी लग गई. बहुत बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है लास्ट ईयर के रिस्पेक्ट. सो लुक हियर. टोटल व्हीट एरिया कितना हो जाएगा? Total area cultivated for wheat is 50 into 11 by 20, and total area cultivated for mustard is 50 into 9 by 20. Here with Vimal, total area for wheat, total cultivated area for wheat is going to be 5 by 8 of 30. And mustard, it is 3 by 8 of 30. Correct. So with Rajesh wheat and mustard का अगर एरिया आपको निकालना है तो 50 means it is 5 into 11 by 2 minus 5 by 8 into 30. Here it is 5 into 9 by 2 minus 5 into 9 by 2 minus 3 by 8 of that. Simply इसको solve कर लेंगे आंसर आ जाएगा. Right? Like 5 is common here. Here 5. इसको you can read 5 into 6. So this 5, this 5, this 5, this 5 cancel. Right? It is now 8 है तो 8 8 8 8 8 8. Okay. 4 से multiply कर दीजिए. So this is 44 minus 30 by 8. And here 4 से multiply कर दीजिए. So it is 36 minus 3 into 6, 18 by 8. It is cancel. 44 by 30 means 14, and here 18, 2 7 jar, 2 9 jar. So this is with Rajesh, and answer is 7 is to 9. How simple question? Very simple question. अगर पेशेंटली काम किया होगा तो आप अ, अच्छे से नंबर्स अटेम्प्ट किए जा सकते थे क्वेश्चंस के, ढूंढ ढूंढ के अगर आप कर देते या देख लेते। ओवरऑल यही कहना चाहिए कि इट वाज इजी। टाइम का प्रेशर कभी बनता है भाई कुछ लोगों के साथ क्वेश्चन, लेकिन आपने अगर प्रिपरेशन करी है तो फिर आपको करना चाहिए था। एनीवे इट इज अ गुड वन। यही कहा जा सकता है, आगे के लिए ठीक से तैयारी करिए, जिनका पेपर अगर किसी भी कारणवश इस सेक्शन में कम अटेम्प्ट कर पाए थे। लेट्स मूव क्वेश्चन नंबर 15। If a plus b root 3 whole square is 52 plus 30 root 3, where a and b are natural number, then a plus b is equal. Again, a simple question. A plus b root 3 is square. 52 plus 30 root 3. You know, a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So 30 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2 into 15 root 3. Okay. इस 15 को हटा के यहां से हटा के write it inside under root, then it is like 15 into 15. Okay. अगर इसको यहां से हटा के इधर लिख देंगे तो ये ऐसे हो जाएगा। Now see, it is like 3 into 3 into 5, 3 into 5, right? Now see, if I take 3, 3 is 9, 3 is 27, and 5 into 5, 25. 27 plus 5 is 52. So now very simple. It means root of 27 plus root of 25 का ये स्क्वायर लिखा हुआ। हम्म, वेरी सिंपल। a plus b root 3 is equal to root 27 means it is root 27. This is root 25 means it is 3 root 3 and this is 5. So a plus b root 3. So compare, a is equal to 5 and b root 3 is 3 root 3. So b is equal to 3. Finally, a plus b is 5 plus 3. So it is a. This is your answer. So again, a simple question. Now see this question number 16. If 10 to the power 68 is divided by 13, the remainder is 10 to the power 68 divided by 13, remainder क्या होगा, right? So if we take 13 and let us check the nature of 13 with 10, or I think it's very simple. See, 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26, 13 3 ja 39, right? So if we divide 25 by 13, then remainder will be -1. And if we divide 40 by 13, then 13 3 ja 39, so remainder will be 1. Okay, so here, you know, 1000 is equal to 25 into 40. So if 10 to the power 68, we write it in terms of 66 plus 2. Okay. And finally, it is 10, 66 into 10 to the power 2. So now 10 to the power 3, 22 into 10 to the power 2 means 100. Now divided by 13. So 10 to the power 3 is 1000. If you divide this by 13, Then 13, it is minus 1 and it is plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1. So the remainder will be minus 1. So it means 1000 when divided by 13, the remainder is minus 1. And minus 1 to the power 22, which is already a even number. So minus 1, 13 into 100. So minus 1 to the power even is a plus 1. Plus 1 into 100, 100 13 से divide किया, 13 7 जा 91. So remainder is 9. How simple it is. Answer is this. Now see question number 70. Consider the sequence T1 is equal to 1, T2 is equal to minus 1, and Tn is n minus 3 upon n minus 1 into Tn minus 2 for n is greater than or equal to 3. Then the value of 1 upon T2 plus 1 upon T4 plus 1 upon T6 dated as 1 upon T 2022 plus 1 upon T 2024 is to be found out. Okay. Look here. Here the series is 1 upon T2, 1 upon T4, 1 upon T6, and it goes till 1 upon T 0 to 4. So it is starting with 2, 4, 6. So total number of terms in this series, total number of terms is 2 से multiply है. So it is 2024 by 2. Means total number of terms in this series is 101. Okay. And now T2 is given. What about T4? So take this relation. It is Tn is equal to n minus 3, n minus 1, Tn minus 2. I would like to write it this way. N minus 3 upon n minus 1. Correct? This is. So for C, T2 is already given. If I put n is equal to 4, on putting n is equal to 4, T4 upon T2, 4 minus 3, 1 upon 4 minus 1, 3 means it is 1 upon 3. Okay. And T2 is given. So T4 is T2 into 1 by 3 means T2, T4 is minus 1 into 1 by 3. So this is coming minus 1 by 3. If you put 2 was given, 4 is required. If I take n is equal to 6, then T6 will equal to T4 into 6 minus 3, 3 over 6 minus 1, 5. And your T4 you calculated minus 1 by 3. It is 3 by 5. So this is coming as minus 1 upon 5. So if I put n is equal to 8, 2, 4, 6, next is 8. So 8 is going to be T8, T6, right? And 8 minus 3 is 5 upon 7. 8 minus 1, 7. This way, this is T6. This is T8 is, what is T6? T6 is minus 1 by 5. It is 5 by 7. So T8 is going to be minus 1 by 7. right? Now look here. It is 1 upon T2. So 1 upon T2, 1 upon T4, 1 upon T6 plus dash 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 1 upon T2024. 1 upon T2 is minus 1 plus 1 upon T4. T4 is minus 1 upon 3. Okay. So 1 upon T4 is minus 3. T6 is minus 1 upon 5. So 1 upon T6 is minus 5. T8, 1 upon T8 will be minus 7. So I think now you can notice it that it is a arithmetic progression where first term is minus 1 and the is common difference d is minus. You got it? So now the nth term is what? This is your P01. So now sum of 101. You know, formula S is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, AP का formula. So n by 2 means 10, 2a minus 1 plus n minus 1. So 1012 minus 1 is 1011 into d is minus 2. Simplify it. This is 506 inside minus 2 and this is minus. So minus ही होगा, minus into plus minus, 2 1 j 2, 2 1 j 2, 2 0, right? So now simple multiply कर दीजिए, 506 into minus 2024 and multiply. You have a calculator. As you multiply it, तो सम आ जाएगा. ये सम होगा आपका -1024144 and this is your answer. So now answer is number 18. Sam can complete a job in 20 days when working alone. Mohit is twice as fast as Sam and thrice as fast as Aina in the same job. They undertake a job with an arrangement where Sam and Mohit work together on the first day, Sam and Aina on the second day, Mohit and Aina on the third day. And this 3-day pattern is repeated till the work gets completed. Then the fraction of total work done by the Sam is. Okay. So look here. It is given that Sam can complete a job in 20 days. So let us take Sam. Sam can complete job in 20 days. Mohit is twice as fast as Sam and thrice as fast as Aina in the same job. So Mohit is twice as fast as Sam. So if Sam finishes the work in 20 days, so Mohit will finish in 10 days, right? And thrice as fast as Aina. It means if Aina finishes in 30 days, then Mohit is finishing in 10 days, correct? I think it is clear. They undertake a job with an arrangement where Sam and Mohit work together on the first day. Means Sam plus Mohit, first day, okay. Sam and Aina, Sam plus Aina. On second day, Mohit and Aina on third day. And this 3-day pattern is repeated till the work done. Okay. Then the fraction of the total work done by Sam is. Fraction of the total work done by Sam is to be found out. Correct? So do one thing. Sam finishes work in 20 days, same Mohit in 10 days, and Aina in 30 days. So let full work is 60. So it means Sam finished this work 60 in 20 days. So daily he will finish 3 work. Mohit will finish daily 6 work. And Aina daily 2 work only. Right? 23 ja 60. 10, 6 ja 60. 32 ja 60. This concept you understand. Okay, I assume this. That the full work is 60 and accordingly in 20 days, Sam finished 60 work, means daily 3, Mohit 6, and Aina 2 works daily. Now, the condition is this 3-day pattern is repeated. Okay. So let us take in first 3-day interval. In first 3-day interval, Sam plus Mohit will finish 3 plus 6, 9 work. Okay. 3 plus 6, 9 work. Then second day, Sam plus Aina, 3 plus 2, 5 work. And third day, Mohit and Aina. Mohit is 6 and this 3, 9 work. So 3, 6, 9, 6. Sorry, Mohit and Aina 6 plus 2, 8 work. Right. So in a one interval of 3 days, first Sam plus Mohit, then Sam plus Aina, Mohit Aina, 9, 5, 14, and 8, 22 work will be completed. Your full work is 60. So how many complete interval will be there? Divide 60 work with 20. So 22 is 44. It is 16 work is left. So two interval. So in a two interval, 20, 20, 40 work. And third interval, अगर कंप्लीट हो जाता है तो वर्क 20, 20, 23 या 66 हो जाएगा. इट मींस वर्क इज गोइंग टू फिनिश इन थर्ड इंटरवल, मींस टू इंटरवल complete and plus in between third interval, right? So look here, if two interval complete, then total work finishes 20 plus 20, 40, 22 plus 22, 44 work complete हो गया. Remaining work is 16. Okay, 22 is 44, remaining work is 16. And now see, as this third interval start, first is chance of Sam plus Mohit, and Sam and Mohit finish 9 work on the return. Then chance of Sam and Aina, they finish 5 work. 9, 5, 14. Still 2 work is left. So this 2 work will be completed by Mohit and Anil. So it is 9 work in 1 day. 1 day complete. 1 day complete. But here 1 day, 1 day. Here only 2 work is to be done. Right? 9 plus 5, 14 plus 2, 16. While Mohit and Aina, they all together finish in a whole day 8 work. So finish 2 work, only 1 by 4 days required. It is okay. It means the whole work is going to finish in 2 interval of 3 days, means 2 into 3 days, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6 days. Then 7, 8, 7, 8, 1 plus 1. Means 1 days of Sam plus Mohit plus 1 day of Sam plus Aina. And now 1 by 4 day of Mohit and. So now the work will be finished in how many days? 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 8 and 1 by 4 days. Okay. It is not your requirement. इसकी जरूरत नहीं थी. क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है then the fraction of the total work done by Sam. So look, the whole work is 60. The whole work is 60. इस वर्क में से सैम ने कितना फिनिश किया? तो सैम फर्स्ट टाइम आया, राइट. सेकेंड इंटरवल में भी आया. सैम 2 बार आया, एक बार मोहित के साथ और एक बार आईना के साथ, फिर मोहित के साथ, आईना के साथ, और फिर यहां पर सैम मोहित के साथ आया और आईना के साथ आया. और सैम जब भी आता है तो सैम कितना वर्क फिनिश करता है? 3 वर्क. सो 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. So out of 60 work, the contribution of Sam is 18 work. So it is 9 by 30 means 3 by 10. So Sam contribution is, then the fraction of the total work done by Sam is 3 by 10. Answer is, okay. Question number 19. Gopi marks a price on a product in order to make 20% profit. Ravi get 10% discount on this mark price and the save rupee 50. Then the profit in rupees made by Gopi by selling the product to Ravi. Okay. Very simple and very basic question. Suppose the cost is 100 rupees. This is the cost. So mark price, Gopi for making 20% profit will mark 120. And Ravi get 10% discount. So if the cost is 100 and the mark price is 120, then 10% discount will be equal to 12 rupees. It means 120 minus 12. Selling price is 108. Gopi will get 8 rupees profit. 100 rupees is 100 rupee cost. 108 में सेल करा तो 8 रुपए का प्रॉफिट होगा, राइट. रियल सिनेरियो में रवि को 10% डिस्काउंट मिला था एंड ही सेव रुपीज 50. ओके. As per my assumption is here, when the mark price is 120, offering 10% discount, Ravi is getting 12 rupees profit. And the profit of Gopi is A. So profit of Gopi is A when Ravi is getting a discount of rupee 12. So in real scenario, if the profit of Gopi is X rupee, let the profit is X rupees and रवि गॉट 15 रुपए डिस्काउंट. दोनों का रेशियो सेम होना चाहिए. खत्म. 4 2 सा, 4 3 सा, 3 5 सा, 5 2 जा 10, एक्सेस 10 rupee. See this. So the number of all positive integers up to 500 with non-repeating digits. This is a simple question of PNC and where repetition is not allowed. So number of all positive integers means how many numbers are there from 1 to 500 where repetition is not allowed. Correct? So see, single digit numbers 1 to 9, then then double digit number from 10 to 99, and then 100 to 500, three digits number. With the non-repeating digits, repetition is not allowed. So look here, between 1 to 9, there are 9 numbers. Between 10 to 99, it's a double digit number. So, you know, there are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 10 numbers. Okay. 0 you cannot place here. So it means rest 9 number you can place. Now, one number is engaged. Any one number out of these 10 numbers, 10 numbers, one is engaged. So the rest numbers are 9. This is 9. 9 into 9. Okay. So double digit numbers, 81 without repetition. Third, 100 to 500, three digits number. It was single digit, double digit, three digit. In three digit numbers, 100 something, 200, 300, 400, and 500. Okay, up to 500. So look here, three digit number. Here you have few cases like 1 is fixed here. Okay, or 2 is fixed here, or 3 is fixed here, or 4 is fixed here. 5. 5 number starting with 5 is 500. 0 is repeated. Repetition is not allowed. So it is not a part of our question. So 1, when 1 is fixed here, it means out of 10, 9 numbers with you. So this place you can fill by 9 way and this is 8. Similarly, when 2 is fixed here, then 9 into 8 ways, 9 into 8 ways, 9 into 8 ways. Or means these are the 4 cases. So answer is 9 plus 9 into 9, 81 plus 9 8 just 72, 72, 72, 72. So this is 4 into 72. This is 90 plus 4 to the 8. This is 288, 288, and this is 378 is our answer. There are 378 positive numbers, 1 to 500, where non-repeating digits are. So this is your answer. Now see question number 21. In a group of 250 students, the percentage of girls was at least 44% and at most 60%. The rest of the students were boys. Each student opted for either swimming or running or both. If 50% of the boys and the girl, 80% of the girls opted for swimming, while 70% of the boys and 60% of the girls opted for running, then the minimum and maximum possible number of students who opted for both swimming and running are. Okay, look here. टोटल ग्रुप में स्टूडेंट्स हैं 250. So here girls and boys. गर्ल्स कितनी हैं? सपोज एक्स गर्ल है एटलीस्ट 44%. So this is at most 60% this way. And rest are boys. Okay. Each student opted for either swimming or running or both. ठीक है. Each students opted for either swimming or running or both. If 50% of the boys and 80% of the girls. Okay. So ऐसा करते हैं. Here boys swimming and running. Okay. Take swimming. Boys and girls. So 50% of the boys and 80% of the girls opted for swimming, while 70% of the boys is running. Here, boys and girls. While 70% of the boys and 60% of the girls opted for running. So 70% boys and the girls 60%. Then the minimum maximum possible. So look here, one point is very important. Boys 50% opted for swimming and running 70%. अगर बॉयज के लिए हम फॉर बॉयज स्विमिंग और रनिंग का वेन डायग्राम बनाए तो बॉयज फॉर स्विमिंग कितना है 50%. रनिंग कितना है 70%. 70 plus 50 is 120. Correct. It should be when swimming or running or both total 100% होना चाहिए. So 50 plus 70 120. It means the common is 20. So it is 30% only swimming, 20% common, and here it is 50% boys opted for only running. So this 20% is common for both swimming and running. Same way for girls. Swimming 80% and running 60%. So swimming and running 80 plus 60, 140. It means 40%. More than 100 is 40. So 40% for swimming and running both. So 80 minus 40, 40% only for swimming and 20% only for running. So here 40% girls are they are opted for the swimming and running both, and here 20% of boys opted for swimming and running both. Now the question is the minimum and maximum possible number of students who opted for swimming and running. Look here. Girls are 44% and 60%, any number of the girls, at least 44% or at most 60%. Okay. So two cases. Case one, when the girls are at least 44%. So when the girls are 40%, it is case. If girls 4%, then boys will be 100 minus 100 minus 44 means 56%. सो गर्ल्स कितनी हो गई? गर्ल्स हो जाएंगी 250, 44%, 25 10 जा 4 जा 11 means girls are 110. Okay, girls 110 and boys 56% means two, simply boys 250 minus 150, 250 minus 150, it is 140. Okay, so here this is a case when you took girls 40%. So girls 110, boys 140. And in second case, girls are 60%. So this time गर्ल्स हो जाएंगी आपकी 250 का 60%, 150. Girls 150, then boys 250 minus 150, 100. Okay. And now take first case. In a first case, swimming and running both, girls 40%. Correct. So for swimming and running both, the girls will be 110 का 40% means 44. And boys out of 140, 20%. 28. So total students, possible number of students. So total students 44 plus 28, 44 plus 28, it's 6, 72. This is for case 1. Okay, when you took girls 44. And in second case, when the girls are 150 and boys 100. So in this case, girls opted for both swimming and running 40%. So 150, 40% is 60. And boys 120%. 80. Sorry, 20. So total students in this scenario, 60 plus 20 means 80. So the minimum and maximum possible number of students opted for both swimming and running, 72 and 80. So 72 and 80. This is your answer. Aman invest rupees 4,000 in a bank at a certain rate of interest compounded annually. If the ratio of the value of the investment after 3 years to the value of the investment after 5 years is 25 by 36, then the minimum number of years required for the value of the investment to exceed rupee 20,000. Okay. Hmm. Then the minimum number of the year required for the value of the investment to exceed rupee 2,000. Okay, okay, okay. So look, Amar invest rupees 4,000 in a bank at a certain rate of interest compounded annually if the ratio of the value of the investment after 3 years to the value of investment after 5 year ratio given. Okay. So look here. Here, you know, it is a matter. It is a case of compound interest. So formula you will use. A is equal to P1 plus R by 100 to the power n. So our invested rupees 4,000 P1 plus R is not given up 100 to the power P 3 to 5 year. And for in the case of a 5 year, it is 4,001 plus R by 100 to the power 5. And the ratio is given 25 upon 36. Is it? Okay, this cancel. It is a cancel. Overlapped. So this is 1 plus R by 100 square is equal to 36 by 25. It means, okay, keep it. Hmm. Minimum number of years required for the value of the investment to exceed 20,000 means amount exceed 20,000. So amount is the same formula. A is equal to P1 plus R by 100. So P is 4,000. 1 plus R by 100 to the power n greater than 20,000. Here we can find 1 plus R by 100 is 6 by 5. So here it is 6 by 5 to the power n, and this is 4,000. So this is 5. So now we have to think for the value of n so that such that 6 by 5 be greater than 5. Okay. Now see, if I take 2, then 6 is there, 36 by 25. 36 by 25 is still less than 2. If I take one more 36 by 25, so 2 years ये हो गए थे and 2 और ये 2 4. 36 square, I know it is a 1296 and 25 square is 625. 625 twos are 1250. It means ये value जो आएगी 2 point something आएगी. So if I take one more 1296 upon 625, so it is 2 जा into 2 जा 2 to the 4 जा हो गया, right? 1296 का मतलब ये 4 year का interval था, ये 4 8 year हो गया. Okay, so now we can guess it is 2 point something. This is 2 point something. So 2 point something into 2 point 4 point something. 4 times आ गया. हमको चाहिए था greater than 5. So okay, now it is uh, so 2 into 2 4 point something हो गया. मतलब कुछ मामला बन गया, राइट? तो 1296 इंटू अपॉन 625, आपके पास कैलकुलेटर था ही, तो अगर आप चेक करेंगे इंटू वन मोर 6 by 5, सो 1296 यानी ये क्या होता है 6/5 का 4 होता है, राइट। 36 तो ये 4 हो गया, ये 4 हो गया, 4 4 8 एंड कैलकुलेटर भी था आपके पास, अगर आप चेक करें 6/5 से मल्टीप्लाई करें देन इट इज कमिंग ग्रेटर देन 5। सो द बेटर आंसर इज 4 4 4 4 8 1 9। तो आंसर एन का जो आएगा एन इज इक्वल टू 9 ईयर्स। यू गॉट दिस। मैंने कैसे किया, 6 का स्क्वायर 36/5 हो गया, राइट। अगेन 6 का स्क्वायर 36/5 मीन्स 1 2 हो गया। 36 का स्क्वायर मेरे को आपको ही पता होगा, 1296, 125 स्क्वायर 6 to 5, दिस इज कमिंग 6 to 5 टू जा 1250 था, मीन्स इस फ्रैक्शन को आप सिंप्लीफाई करोगे तो 2 पॉइंट समथिंग आएगा। तो ठीक इसी तरीके अगर एक और ले लें तो उसका भी 2 पॉइंट समथिंग आएगा, बट 2 पॉइंट समथिंग इंटू 2 पॉइंट समथिंग यानी मोर देन 4 हो गया, करेक्ट। बस यहीं पर अलर्ट होके आपने चेक कर लेना था कैलकुलेटर से, इंटू 6/5 से जैसे आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो फर्स्ट टाइम इट बिकम्स मोर देन 5। सो आंसर इज इसके 1296/6 to 5 मीन्स 6/5 to the power 4, एक और 6/5 to the power 4, 4 4 8 एंड इसका 1। आंसर इज 4 + 4 + 1, आंसर इज 9। दिस इज योर आंसर। Okay, so now all 22 questions are completed of CAT 2024 slot 3 इवनिंग सेशंस का ये पेपर था, ठीक था। मैंने देखा कि काफी कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐसे थे जो अटेम्प्ट किए जा सकते थे। किसी के पेपर में उसका ऑर्डर कुछ अलग होगा, कहीं कुछ अलग होगा, अलग बात है, लेकिन डुएबल था, किया जा सकता था कई। फिर भी एग्जाम का प्रेशर अलग होता है और ये लास्ट सेशन था। इसके पहले आप वर्बल से, आरसी से परेशान होके, एक आपका ये जो मेंटल स्टेटस जो भी रहा होगा, उसका एलआरडीआई में भी आपने जो कुछ किया होगा, और लास्ट तक पहुंचते पहुंचते क्या रहता है कि जब स्लॉट 3 में पहुंचते हैं तो अच्छा खासा जो कुछ कर सकते हैं तब भी हम डिप्रेस हो जाते हैं। कोई बात नहीं, इट इज test paper of a management institute, right? So you are opting this for taking entrance in a management institution. So आपको ये पता होना चाहिए how to manage your mental toughness, correct? आई थिंक सबने अच्छा किया होगा, और अब देखते हैं रिजल्ट में जैसा भी जो होता है। अदरवाइज ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर नेक्स्ट टेस्ट। थैंक यू गाइस।